Everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and today I'm doing a review for a special software that's coming out tomorrow. That's Thursday, the 18th of August at 11 a.m. EST on Warrior Plus. It's been brought out by my friend Billy Dar, and the name of the product is called Genie. Genie is a SaaS software which allows you to contact your contacts in 4 specific ways. Here I am in the members area, and let me show you my let's start off with my bonus page so we can get a better idea of what this product is all about. Then we'll go to the sales page and we'll come back to the software to show you around here a little bit more. So here it is, Source Custom bonus bundle. Genie, the world's first 20-in-1 mass traffic app. Click one button and blast any link to 20 free traffic sources for unlimited visitors in 60 seconds. To cost $17 the front end. As you can see, it's $17. OTO 1 is $39, OTO 2 $39, OTO 3 $197, OTO 4 $39, OTO 5 $197. Let's go through it. Genie, this app lets your customers leverage 4 platforms from one app. Includes social media, SMS, Messenger, and email. Potentially 20 channels in one click. High quality software, training, and support. How will Genie support you? First of its kind, 4-in-1 multi-channel traffic app. The software, in short, gives your customers all the tools needed to leverage SMS, email, social media, and messaging marketing, with step-by-step training, support for more than 20 channels. We also include live chat, so they've got 5 staff members in 3 different time zones. Let's go through the sales page quickly, and then we'll come back to the upsells. So there says Genie, the world's first 20-in-1 mass traffic app. Click one button and blast any link to 20 free traffic sources for unlimited visitors in 60 seconds. Free traffic from 20 sources in 1. Created for beginners, 3-figure day tutorials inside, attain complete freedom, world-class chat, 365-day money back guarantee. Get results or we'll pay you $500. So, guys, this is quite unique. You're getting a 1-year guarantee, a full 1-year guarantee, and I'll give you $500 if it doesn't work for you. So you can go through the sales page in your own time, but basically they're showing a whole lot of results. I'll just get you one point to show you sales that let you live a life of freedom. It's great. There's Billy Dar. He's the creator of the software. I just wanted to show you here. So this is the sales page. Obviously, just read it in your own time. But basically, what he's saying is that when we're running our online business, there's just so many different moving pieces and stuff that we have to invest in. Let me show you quickly just one small part that will actually blow your mind. This will show you exactly what the software covers. So it's, as I said, number of SMS users, 3.5 billion. So you've got access to contact your visitors through your subscribers through SMS. Email, 3.9 billion around the globe. 3.6 billion active users around the globe on social media. Messenger, 1.3 billion. So look, most people are putting together to try and contact all of their subscribers in different way, and Genie actually just takes the whole pain out of that completely, where you've got everything from one base. So let me just see here. Unlimited visitors in 60 seconds. There's just one part that I wanted to show you that I thought was quite interesting on the sales page. Obviously, they're saying that it works on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JV, Pay.com, eBay, literally any, even your own offers you can use for this. Step-by-step tutorials. The tutorials are very good. Quick start guide, live chat support 24 hours a day. And here we go. I just want to show you here. So there we go. Just showing more results. Really just showing what they trying to cover in this software. And there's a whole lot of testimonials there. And yeah, that's what I want to show you. So basically, Genie will cover all of these softwares, and you can even cancel them once you've tested this out. But Hootsuite costs $25 a month. Text Anywhere is $40 a month. Market Hero for email marketing is $99 a month. ManyChat $10 a month. Zapier $49 a month. So there's a monthly cost saving of $2 to $3 a month. And yeah, you can carry on going through here where they'll keep on showing you, explaining more about the software and exactly what it can do. Let's go back to my bonus page. So Saul's custom bonuses. Genie, the world's first 21 mass traffic app, and here I'm up, and I just want to go through the funnel for you. The front end is $17. Access the powerful Genie software training modules. Upsell 1 Genie Unlimited Edition. Unlimited Edition of Genie has multi-channel traffic, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. Upsell 2, $39. Automation Edition. The Automation Edition of Genie lets your customers unlock additional traffic features for even more viral traffic. Upsell 3 Genie Done For You Edition $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. Upsell 4 Reseller Rights $39. The Reseller Right Edition gives you a chance to sell the full Genie as your own, and you keep all the profit. That seems like a good price, $39. And Upsell 5 Luxury Edition $197. You'll experience every individual custom funnel setup experience, so they'll set it up for you. Now we'll actually set up your funnel for you on your hosting with your account, so you can build a list and make money. And just some additional benefits of Genie: free traffic from 20 sources in one click, created for beginners, 3 figures a day, attain complete freedom, world-class chat, 365-day money-back guarantee will give you $500 if you don't get results. So guys, let's go through my bonuses quickly. Bonus number 1 for Genie: hack access limitless traffic, first 24 hours only. So Jono Armstrong, who is my coach, he'll allow you to put your Google tag on his sales pages. His sales pages get thousands of hits, and that will allow you to build up a nice retargeting audience. Value 427, a sales of 427. Bonus 2, value $46. Hack how to get guaranteed approval to promote affiliate offers. That's a whole tutorial on how to. A lot of newbies struggle with getting approved for affiliate offers. This gets you approved. Bonus tutorial for Genie Hack Instagram Robot. So that's a product that Jono recently came out with, and allows you to follow followers of influencers and get free traffic from Instagram. And then bonus number 4 is get access to to Stealth Advanced Training. Stealth is another program that Jono brought out recently, and that's got a value of $267. Bonus number 5, value 197. All the vendor bonuses. So guys, you're getting my 5 bonuses. $17 is the front end. I'm quite excited to see how this works. If we go, I've been watching the training modules, and it really just allows us to connect our Facebook to Genie, and it takes the information that someone registered for Facebook, sticks it in here, and really allows you to create campaigns and reach your customers in 4 different ways. Basically, the more ways that we can reach our customers, the more sales we're going to have. I know that Billy has been developing this app for quite some time, and 1 year guarantee and $500, and I'll give you $500 really seems like a good price. I don't think that you've got much to lose. So guys, this product again is called Genie. It comes out tomorrow. That's at 11 a.m. Thursday, the 13th of August at 11 a.m. EST. If you pick it up through me, you'll get these 5 bonuses. And I wish you all the best of luck, guys. Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa. Pick this up. I'm going to be picking it up myself, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.